WHAS 11 Weather Impact Forecast is sponsored by Tom Sondergeld Plumbing and West Shore Home.
So we don't know about how severe it'll be during the day yet. The indications are out there, but one thing you're guaranteed is there's certainly going to be rain in the area, and it could be, what, for several hours?
Yes. So usually when we have a front like this, the good news is we can track the line of showers and storms as it's rolling through here. And once that front moves out of here, we dry out. The problem is we won't really know that exact timing until we get to about 24 to 36 hours out from the event, and we start to get the high resolution models to really agree. But what it looks like is, yes, we do have the chance for rain, showers, and some thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening hours on Thunder over Louisville on Saturday. And out ahead of the cold front, temperatures will likely warm into at least the lower 80s. Something else that we'll have to keep in mind with the air show and with the fireworks is it will be breezy out ahead of the front and also along and behind the front. So we'll have winds start off from the south and then shift to the west during the day and eventually the northwest by Saturday night behind the front. So there's a lot to pay attention to with Saturday's forecast, but no, we are watching it shift after shift with each of the model runs coming in here. We do have a weather impact alert for Saturday afternoon and evening because we are expecting some kind of impact to Thunder over Louisville. So make sure you monitor the forecast, track the radar on the WHAS 11 Plus app, and of course we'll have updates every newscast for you as soon as we get in the latest data. Max HD radar though tonight, all is dry. We managed to stay dry throughout Kentuckiana today. We just had a very low in storm chance primarily to the north. But take a look at the rest of the country. There are storms ongoing from Texas up to Oklahoma. Severe storms with tornado warnings ongoing up to the Great Lakes region and into Michigan as well. So all this is kind of riding the ridge, and you'll notice we are in the quieter spot here in the Ohio Valley and down throughout the southeast states. So this is where the severe weather outlook is for tonight, and you'll notice tomorrow's outlook is pretty similar, kind of in that same ridge pattern, staying primarily off to our north. And you'll notice here the hour-by-hour futurecast, quiet tonight, partly cloudy skies, temperatures not cooling off all too much. We'll start off Wednesday in the mid to upper 60s. High temperatures tomorrow will be back into the 80s. Windy at times with winds coming in from the southwest. You'll notice kind of underneath this banner some storms ongoing off to our north tomorrow. So if we see isolated storms during the afternoon and evening, it would be primarily in our northernmost counties in southern Indiana. And then we wait for Thursday's rain chance, which honestly, the latest model data, not too impressive with it, kind of falling apart as it rolls in, but we could have some shower activity, maybe a few storms late in the day on Thursday, so kind of two waves there. Mostly dry and warm on Friday. You'll notice Saturday is red due to the weather impact alert. And then once Saturday's front clears, we are tracking drier and cooler weather Sunday through early next week. As I mentioned, we have a great tool for you with those storms in the forecast for Thunder. You can stream the live radar 24/7 on the WHAS 11.